Intelligent traffic systems are attaining worldwide attention as a way to reduce traffic congestion, road accidents, and high transportation costs. 13 innovation partners, backed by the Dutch government, cooperated closely to accelerate the implementation of ITS. SPITS created an open ITS platform that is affordable, scalable, and upgradable, providing the ability to download new in-vehicle applications, for example, traffic assistance, infotainment, and business-to-business services. Let's introduce the SPITS platform.
The unique thing about the SPITS platform is that it really connects parties from the whole value chain, so from consumer products to back-end services and from advanced IC design to software. This has allowed us to create end-to-end solutions that were so far not possible. SPITS creates solutions that essentially connect your car to the outside world. That means your car becomes part of a network. That can be through radio, satellite, mobile internet, or cars communicating with other cars, or with roadside units.
Cooperative driving can mean a lot for drivers like you and me. For instance, in future you can expect you can be informed on the most optimal speed you can drive during dense traffic. It means that you don't have to worry too much about the speed and are very stressed on following the speed, but you have a stabilized speed which gives you a certain level of comfort and still a high level of safety. SPITS not only brings us new technology, new application, it also leaves us test facilities that are quite unique. And these test facilities we want to use in future to further improve this technology, to further develop new applications and to strengthen our goals on cooperative driving.
One of the use cases designed by SPITS is car as a sensor. The car detects road conditions and gives a dynamic speed advice. Today, SPITS provides car-to-car communication for in-vehicle driver assistance. Eventually, cars will take over control themselves to create the optimum flow.
Yeah, so TomTom wants to provide drivers with the best navigation experience. So what we believe is important for drivers to experience the future traffic services is that they can focus on the drive and drive in a safe way. Well, we've been part of many projects in the SPITS project, but one I would like to mention in particular, and that's about the Traffic Incident Management project, where we use data from roadside infrastructure as well as traffic control centers. We analyze the data, merge it into our backend service, and we dispatch it back to the end user to give them information about traffic incidents that happened and prepare them for traffic jams.
Traffic incident management is just one example of using the SPITS platform to provide updated information about the journey ahead. It is now possible to receive incremental map updates over the air. Users can instantly receive the latest changes to ensure they reach their destination smoothly.
There's a huge potential in the business-to-business environment, and we have already analyzed different business models during the project itself, and even have seen some concrete examples of applications, for example, for cost reduction for insurance companies. It's now about using this open, let's say, cloud platform to further build these applications.
SPITS offers the entire platform needed for efficient routing and professional driver assistance. Businesses can benefit from the use cases that SPITS has designed to optimize their fleet management.
Now, the whole SPITS project is an example of good cooperation between different partners as well as the Dutch government, but it was an R&D stage. Now, the future of SPITS project is applying all of this into a concrete environment and bringing it to life and to reality. And that's what is important for keeping all these partners as well as the Dutch government together to make sure this is moving into reality.
And now, SPITS is ready to deploy.